It is our last day and we're about to leave our room for the last time, so I just wanted to give you guys a quick room tour so you could see this pretty cool room before we head out. So I'll go ahead and flip you around so we can do that. Here is obviously the door, and when you come in there's like this little coffee bar and 2 closets with lights, which is really cool. And then some coffee. I made one today, but that was my first one because we didn't spend a lot of time in our room. We were so busy. Some fancy art. There is a fridge in here, which also we didn't use. And then just a second closet with a safe, and there's even some little dresser drawers. I feel like this would be really cool if you were like staying for a long time. And then the bathroom has a sliding door. These sinks are amazing. They're huge. Like, this is my hand in comparison with the sink. There isn't a lot of counter space though. There's just like this little area where we had all of our products and stuff. I've been using this little mirror every day for my makeup. And then these mirrors have really nice lights around them too. Then here is the bathtub with fancy marble tiles. And there's like a little ledge there, and of course they have they gave us all the like Disney products, which we're taking home. And then there's like another sliding door where the toilet is to like separate it from out here. And there's like this little hamper thing where we put all the towels when we were done with them. I was thinking about earlier how the wallpaper doesn't have any hidden Mickeys. So that's a little bit of a letdown. Some more art, obviously toilet. And then there's this like ladder shelf. When we got here, it had like all of the towels on it. Very industrial looking. Here is just like an overview. Gerald's packing up our suitcase. There's 2 beds and they're both pretty big, so we only used one of them. This bed, like an hour or so ago, was full of all kinds of stuff before we packed up. But there's like a little dresser here. We've been like putting all the things we bought out on here so we can like look at everything and get excited. This picture is kind of weird. It's like a plant. I don't really like it. Then there's these lights hanging. There's a mirror and a desk to work at. And it's like there's like this part too where you can like pull it out for more desk space. The TV is ginormous. We never even got to turn it on because when we're here we're just in the parks. And then this lights up, which is interesting, fancy. And then there's some like vases up there. And then this mirror. A couch that's also a pull-out bed. Even just the couch is huge though. Gigantic. These weren't good. They aren't pumpkin spice, they're pumpkin pie. They literally taste like a candle or like a soap or something that you're not meant to have, so I don't recommend those. And then this is our view. We have a little seating area out here, which would have been really fun to sit out at, but again, we like to pack our Disney trips like to the very brim with activities, so we were really busy, especially because we were wedding planning. But this is like the jogging trail, and this is like a garden view room. There's Bay Lake, some boats out, a cast member walking. And then this is kind of cool. The beds have like spotlights over them, and on each side there's like a control, so you can do however you want. And then a headboard. The pillows at Disney are like, I mean, I'm sure some people like them, but my preference is a firm pillow, and these are so squishy. I feel like they offer no support. So for the wedding, I'm gonna like bring my own pillow like a loser, but I really want to sleep well the night before our wedding. And then yeah, that is our room. This was a really cool room. Oh, and these curtains closed. There's like a sheer curtain panel, and then there's also like a total blackout one, which is amazing. Yeah, this room is actually really nice. It's very, very spacious. I feel like we could have had like 6 people with us, right?
Yeah.
I feel like we're spoiled now. We like never want to stay off the monorail loop again. This was a really nice room. We had that weird experience when we checked in, so I'm definitely gonna write like a little note to whoever that may concern, so like a manager or something, because that was really weird. That really put a weird like damper on our arrival. I don't expect like anything to come of it. I just want to say, because I don't know, that was unpleasant. So now we're headed down to get everything sorted with our luggage so that they can send it over to the airport for us. Because that's the thing that they do here, which is amazing. So you don't even have to like touch your luggage or worry about it. They'll just send it right to the airport for you and everything is all good. And then we have a reservation at Chef Mickey's. So I think it's a character breakfast. So we're gonna get to see all the cute characters, I think, in like little chef outfits. So I'm definitely excited for that. We're gonna eat probably a lot and then head over to Disney Springs. But then it is time to go home and back to reality. I work tomorrow at 6:45 in the morning, so back to normal. All right, I will catch up with you guys later.
Where are we at, Dane?
We're at World of Disney in Disney Springs. I'm debating again about this. I love these spirit jerseys. I want to get another one, but I don't know, I really love this one because it's like rainbow glitter. But I don't know if I like the tie-dye with that. So I'm like, should I do this one instead? I don't know.
What's that? Oh, I see.
I can't decide. I might get none of them.
Yeah.
They call this one the cotton candy spirit jersey.
I mean, now that you say cotton candy, I guess I see the idea.
I like tie-dye though, I wear it. I think this one's pretty unique. Everyone has the other one, but I like that one too.
We're at the Disney store. What's this? World of Disney in Disney Springs. There's construction right now, so.
I don't know, I can't decide.
I feel like you'll wear this one more.
Pink.
But I say get the cotton candy.
Get the cotton candy.
Just because you have something like this already, they're kind of similar.
I do though, but maybe I'll get this next time because we're coming back. It's not like a life or death decision. Even if I wasn't coming back, it's just a t-shirt.
In 192 days, we're gonna get these ones.
Yeah. I want to get these and get like the embroidery on the back that'll say our wedding date. That would be so cute. Oh look, he has little tuxedo tails.
Yeah, because we're gonna be married.
Yeah, we're gonna get married. I'm gonna buy these closer to the wedding, or me and the bridesmaids for my wedding. So when we're getting ready to do our mini shoes.
I like this hoodie.
I don't get why they have to do things like this though. It'd be so cute if it was just regular.
To connect with the youth, babe.
Oh, this one is regular. But it's a little different. It's still really cute though. Going into Disney style, then we're gonna get some coffees. Then we're going on the bus and going home.
What do you got?
Love them.
Can you tell the difference?
No, you look just like them.
Obviously that one.
Ariel. There they are. Look, baby. In case anyone's wondering, this is what I got. I'm not too crazy about like lattes, but I love me some pumpkin spice. I don't like to have like milk and stuff on a regular basis, so I've been just getting cold brew with pumpkin. I really like the cold brew because it tastes like stronger than a regular iced coffee, and I like full-bodied coffees. Like I like it dark and like very flavorful and strong tasting. So I prefer the cold brew over the iced coffee, but I prefer an Americano over even this, I think. I was just kind of in the mood for cold brew now, but if you order an Americano, it's really, really strong because it's just some like espresso shots with water instead of like how a latte has espresso shots and milk. It's espresso shots with water. So I like it iced, and if you get at Starbucks an iced blonde Americano, it has like a really nice like sweetness to it, the blonde beans. So I really recommend that. And you can get pumpkin spice put into anything. So if you don't really like feel like a latte, you don't have to miss out on like the basic fall flavors that we all know and love. You can get any syrup added into anything. And for a venti, usually they do 6 pumps of flavor, but we got 4, and I think that's plenty good. We're leaving Disney Springs. We won't be back for like at least 190 days, but that's not that many days. So we'll see you soon, Disney Springs. You ready to go home, baby? I'm not really ready to go home. I'm ready to like rest for a little. But I have to work tomorrow at 6:45 in the morning at my new job. Next day I work at 6, but then I'm off for 5 days. So I get to edit all these vlogs, which is gonna be really, really fun because I get to like relive our whole trip. Our trip is over, and I'm usually really bummed out when our trip is over, but honestly, like, there's still so much to look forward to. Since our wedding is in 192 days, we're gonna be back here like before we can even like blink. And we have all kinds of fun stuff before that. Like, I get to make more videos. I just hit 1,000 subscribers, which is amazing. So I'm doing a giveaway. I designed a bag to include in the giveaway, and I also have it for sale. It's a lot more expensive than I would want to charge for a tote bag, but I just thought I'd make it available. So if you don't win the giveaway but you really like it, you can get it. So I'll show that as soon as I like have it physically in my hands. I'll show you guys what it looks like. We are at the bus stop, hanging out. I'm so tired. I'm gonna have to like try to sleep on the bus, try to sleep on the plane, and go to bed like the moment we get home. This has been, I say this every time, but like, it's really been some of the most fun days of my life these last couple days. What do you think, babe?
I think so.
Yeah, like yesterday was probably one of the most special days I've ever had.
Say bye to everybody.
Bye everybody. Hope you like my Disney vlogs. And I'll see you in my next video.